2026 Toyota Airstream Basecamp, a game-changer in compact travel trailers. The 2026 Toyota Airstream Basecamp is set to revolutionize the world of compact travel trailers, seamlessly blending Toyota's renowned engineering with Airstream's classic craftsmanship. Designed for adventure seekers who crave exploration without sacrificing comfort, this camper offers rugged capability with a sleek, modern interior, making life on the road both exciting and convenient. Aerodynamic and durable design. Built with an aerodynamic aluminum shell, the Basecamp is both lightweight and durable, allowing it to be easily towed by mid-size SUVs and trucks. The exterior maintains Airstream's signature polished aluminum look, while incorporating Toyota-inspired design elements to enhance aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. For added durability, the camper features sturdy construction reinforced with thermal barrier protection. Whether camping in the heat of the desert or the chill of the mountains, this system ensures interior comfort. Large panoramic windows provide breathtaking views, seamlessly integrating the campsite with the natural surroundings. Efficient and comfortable interior. Despite its compact size, the Basecamp's interior is designed for maximum efficiency. Every inch of space is utilized to provide a functional and comfortable living area. Key features include convertible seating area. Transforms into a spacious sleeping space for two, making transitions from day to night effortless. Fully equipped galley. Features a 2-burner stove, stainless steel sink, and optional microwave, allowing for home-style cooking on the go. Clever storage solutions. Strategically placed compartments keep gear, food, and essentials organized without cluttering the living space. Convenient wet bath. Includes a shower and toilet, along with a retractable clothesline and roof vent to keep the space fresh and dry. Stylish and durable materials. Ensures longevity and maintains a modern, inviting aesthetic, suitable for frequent travelers. Superior performance and towing stability. Unlike many travel trailers that are difficult to tow, the 2026 Toyota Airstream Basecamp is designed for easy maneuverability and stability. Lightweight construction. Reduces strain on the towing vehicle. Torsion axle suspension with shock absorbers. Provides a smooth ride on various terrains, making off-road camping a breeze. NAR adjust brakes. Offers improved stopping power, enhancing safety on highways and steep inclines. Powered hitch jack with integrated light. Simplifies the hitching process, even in low-light conditions. Off-grid capabilities for ultimate freedom. For those who prefer off-grid camping, the Basecamp includes several self-sufficiency features. Optional solar charging system, 200W or 300W. Reduces dependence on traditional power sources. 12V battery system. Powers essential appliances. LP gas grill connection. Enhances outdoor cooking accessibility. 12V tank heaters and heated underbelly. Protects the plumbing system from freezing in colder climates. Freshwater and grey water tanks. Supports extended trips without frequent refilling or emptying. Unmatched versatility and convenience. Unlike larger RVs that require significant planning and dedicated parking spaces, the Basecamp is compact enough to fit in standard campsites and even urban camping locations. Its ease of towing and setup makes it ideal for both weekend getaways and extended road trips. Whether heading to a national park, a remote beach, or a music festival, this camper offers the perfect balance of mobility and comfort. Eco-friendly and sustainable design. Toyota and Airstream have placed a strong emphasis on sustainability. Energy-efficient appliances and LED lighting. Minimizes environmental impact. Sustainable materials. Ensures a lower carbon footprint. Aerodynamic design. Enhances fuel efficiency for towing vehicles while reducing wind resistance. Solar pre-wire system. Encourages the use of renewable energy sources. High-quality build and reliability. Both Toyota and Airstream are known for their attention to detail and durability. The Basecamp reflects these high standards. Meticulously crafted cabinetry and plumbing system ensures long-lasting performance. Minimal maintenance requirements, high-quality materials and intelligent engineering reduce wear and tear. Advanced technology for modern travelers. For tech-savvy travelers, the Basecamp includes smart control panel, monitors battery levels, water tanks, and climate control through a digital interface. Smartphone connectivity allows remote system status checks and adjustments. USB charging ports and 12V outlets, strategically placed for device charging convenience. Safety features for peace of mind. Safety is a priority in the Basecamp, with key features including sturdy frame and secure door locks, provide security while towing and when parked. Panoramic windows with high-quality glass, offers visibility and protection. Built-in window and door screens, keeps insects out while allowing airflow. Propane safety shutoffs and high-standard electrical components, ensures safe operation. A heritage of innovation and adventure. The 2026 Toyota Airstream Basecamp combines nearly a century of Airstream's trailer expertise with Toyota's advanced engineering and reliability. This partnership results in a product that is both timeless and forward-thinking, perfect for modern adventurers seeking efficiency, quality, and convenience. Unlike traditional RVs, which can be cumbersome or outdated, the Basecamp's sleek and modern design makes it an ideal choice for today's adventurous lifestyle. Final thoughts. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple looking for weekend escapes, or a small family wanting to experience nature together, the 2026 Toyota Airstream Basecamp offers a hassle-free way to enjoy the outdoors. With its ease of setup, modern amenities, and innovative features, this camper makes camping more enjoyable and accessible to all. The combination of Toyota's dependability and Airstream's craftsmanship ensures a superior travel experience for years to come.